You can change the drive configuration of the robot with the drive configuration proposal to another standardized configuration that iiQWorks.Sim supports. In order to do that, you need to go to the Configuration tab and select the wanted robot. Now you can access the configuration proposal in the drive configuration. A new window will open. On the left side you can see the initial state of the system. And on the right side you'll find the updated system, which is currently the same. We currently have a KRC5-2 microcontroller that we could change in the controller drop-down menu to other controllers supporting iiQWorks OS 2. For further properties you can also use the drop-down menu. In this case you can choose between two different configurations. One of them is the default setting with just the standard robot. The other one is a configuration with an external access drive board EADB. If we select the second proposal, you will see the updated state with the external access drive board in green. Click on OK to apply the updated configuration.
Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your support. Make sure to subscribe the KUKA channel for the latest updates and tutorials. For hands-on experience, check out the KUKA College. Until next time, and keep learning and simulating.
Making automation easier.